Hello wonderful cook, back along with the cook along series with me, Veet, and we're making the sour cream on page 63. And so I've got cashews which I soaked just for 6 hours or so, just to make them nice and soft, and I'm just straining them there in my favourite kitchen utensil at the moment. And we're putting that in here. Why I'm showing you this today is because next week and the week after I'll be making a few recipes from the book that have cashew sour cream. So we've got lemon juice, and then we want 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. My apple cider vinegar at the moment doesn't taste that strong, so I'm going to put 2 teaspoons in. And it says oil in the recipe. I don't know what I was thinking. Definitely don't need oil in this. The cashews are oily enough. We're going to put in half a teaspoon of salt and then blend that up. Oh, I haven't turned it on. You're going to blend that up until it's nice and smooth. Okay, and while we're blending, we dance. No, I have forgotten the water. Put 1/4 cup of water in. I free poured there, but I know that that's 1/4 cup. No animal needs to be hurt in the process of this, unless a bug got in there while you were blending, but you wouldn't want that to happen. Have a wonderful week, and I'll be back with a recipe with cashew sour cream. It's lower in fat than any dairy, so get your cashew sour cream on, and it freezes well, so you can freeze it too. Please like and subscribe and share. Let everyone know how easy it is to make cashew sour cream. Bye!